Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking on level ground and switching ignition off. This prevents accidental wiper movement. Once done, lift the driver wiper arm up until it holds roughly 90 degrees from the glass and keep a hand under it to control tension. Next, inspect the blade where it meets the arm. There's usually a small plastic release tab or clip. Press that tab while sliding the blade downwards or away. You're disconnecting the locking hook so the old blade will free up. With the release pressed, slide the worn blade straight off the arm hook and set it aside. Recycle if possible. Now take the replacement and match its adapter to your arm type. Most are J-hook, pin, or bayonet style. Choose the adapter slot that fits. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear or feel a click. This indicates the locking tab engaged. Make sure the rubber toe faces the windshield and that the adapter sits flat so the blade will sweep evenly. Lower the arm back down slowly. Do not let it snap onto the glass because that can crack or pinch the new blade. Start the wipers for a brief test. Watch the sweep path, listen for chattering, and check that the blade contacts the glass fully with no gaps. If the blade skips or streaks, lift and reseat it, ensuring the adapter is seated correctly. If problems persist, swap to the exact adapter type or try a new blade. Misfit adapters cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.